This is the Citroen Xsara Picasso from year 2000, and here's the problem. The LCD screen, both of the displays are a little bit modified. When I turn on rotate the key like so, then those lights will come up and the power for the LCDs is taken from elsewhere and it's delayed. So if I turn it off and then back on, notice that the LCDs are not turned on instantly. It's turned on only now. Okay, so since I modified the light source, these are not lit by incandescent light bulbs anymore. They are lit by an LED strip, and the power for the LED strip is taken from elsewhere. It's a connector somewhere here in the left part, and after taking the power from that specified location, these lights are not really visible. So if I rotate this one up, the position light is on, but I bet you can't see almost anything. Now the position light is off, position light is on. Okay, that's barely visible. And now this is the low beam. Maybe you can see it, it's here. So the low beam is a little bit visible, and this is the high beam that's more visible. Low beam, high beam. Okay, so let's modify. Let's take the power from elsewhere, and then these lights should be visible also, because they were just as visible as these. So I will remove this plastic and take out the two connectors. One connector is here and the other one is there. Okay, so after all, the bulbs were the problem. So I changed the position light bulb, the low beam light bulb, and the turning signal light bulb. The position light was working, but the low beam was not working, and I thought the bulb was not okay, but instead I had to rotate the bulb itself, the holder. Okay, and it seems like I can keep these connections. So I'm using 12 volts from the third and from the fifth connection. I'm taking the power from there, and that's coming from this socket. The only disadvantage of this method is that when you turn the key, this area, the LCDs, are not turned on instantly. You have to wait 3 or 4 seconds and then it's working very well. And that's it, I can place it back and it should work fine. Okay, the first thing is this plastic, which has to come here onto the left side. You have to enter it there into those corners. Other one on the right side. These cut parts are on the right side, and then here on the lower left corner. This one is taller a little bit compared to that one. Let's bring the first LCD. It's a thin piece of glass. This is the connector. Make sure you don't break it. It's glued onto the glass. First the lower left corner, then the lower right corner. Now the connection, it should be in front of that white thing, so let's raise the white like so. Okay, and somehow push it between the white and the black. I think that's it. Push these two down. It should be okay. This is smaller, I mean the connector is smaller. Okay, the same thing. One corner and the second corner. Push in the front also. That one's already raised. Insert this film, push down the two edges. Okay, I should test it to make sure it's working well. This cover also. Okay, the two ends into that thing. And that's it. And that's the front cover. That's the rear. Oops, I have the cables also. It has those clips. Push them on. This one won't stay there. Somebody was playing with it a lot. Okay, let's connect these two. Insert it and pull it to the left. Okay, insert it first and then turn it. Okay, now it's in position. Let's turn the key. Let's see. The battery is being consumed. That's nice. The LCD is not turning on. I changed the right bulb, that's brighter. The left bulb is not that bright. Okay, that's the position, it's working well. That's the, wow, it's nice. That's the low beam, that's the high beam. Okay, let's start the engine also. The LCD will turn on with delay. Okay, the same thing. Position is visible, low beam is visible, high beam is visible. Okay, so that's how to change the light bulbs inside this dashboard thing. Let's put this cover on also. This way. Oops, I forgot the screws. It has these two screws. Make sure you don't drop the screws because there are holes here. Okay, so the screws were tightened. Now grab this plastic thing. And that's it. The light bulbs were changed. Okay, it says front right door open. That's this door. And if I close it, then I have to reset the date again. Okay, I held this button up here. English is okay. Let's put it to 15. That is PM 3 minutes 46. Let's put it to 47. Oops, I pressed this button. The ear is not right. Pull down this up button. English hour PM 3 minutes 46. Year, that's not right. We are in 16. Accept it with this. Month is 4. The day is, oh, if you wait too much then it will exit. So English is fine, hour is fine, minute is fine, year okay, month okay, okay, day, that's 22. Now I want 24 hours, like so. Celsius, that's fine. Kilometers per hour, that's fine. And that's it. Okay, bye bye.